So we know Pele and her dream traveled to Kiaʻi. And Hi'iaka needs to make that same journey. So Hi'iaka travels and she leaves Kilauea. I remind you, there's no automobiles, there's no Flintstone car, there's only a vāpai. So she and her companion needs to walk from Kilauea down to the kai, get a va'a, and sail from Hawaii to Maui, from Maui to the next island and the next island, Molokaʻi. Finally, she makes her way to Oahu, where our next mele brings us. And each time she travels, it wasn't an easy travel. She encountered many beings and many phenomena, like the winds and the rains, and particularly the mo'o people that doesn't really get along with the pele. So while she's in a place called Heiʻia, on the slopes called Maʻeliʻeli there in the Hālau mountains, she meets the mokoli'i, also known what we know today as Chinaman's hat. And they get into a battle, Hi'iaka and this giant mo'o, and he doesn't want her to pass. And so she does oli, and she calls upon her sisters, and all this mana comes to her, and she's able to defeat the mo'o and chops him up. And we are reminded of this story as we look at Chinaman's hat, what we call today as mokoli'i, or the little mo'o, which she had chopped up in pieces and threw him into the clay. So this particular mele is entitled Maʻeliʻeli, which honors the place, Heiʻia, the ridge, Maʻeliʻeli, and the winds and the rain. Makoko. Baba